What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an update on Rndr, which has been performing very well over the last week, guys, gaining 60% with the Bitcoin pump that took place. This crypto has managed to gain an insane amount of value, so we're going to be going through what is next for Rndr, guys. It is currently trading at just over $7. Is it likely to head closer to the $10 mark later on in November? And essentially going through its price prediction for most of 2024 and early 2025. What can we expect from Rndr? Is it a crypto to be investing into? Is it one to be selling it if you're on a profit? Or is it one to be holding on to going into 2025? But before I get into all that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator here at the bottom, which I will be using to do some price prediction. And as you guys can see, over the last couple of hours here, the crypto has taken a slight dip in value, nothing major, but it did drop from about $7.54 to the lower part of the $7 mark. However, that is part of the process. There's always dips and peaks in the crypto market. So we are looking at the hourly chart. We will move on to the daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors later on in the video. But before I get into that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the, well, let's start off with the 30-minute chart actually. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction. Reason for that is the minimal dips that's been taking place. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, yes, I'm expecting Rndr to take more red candles, hit more red candles, shall I say, and potentially drop down to $6.40, $6.50 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by the end of the day today. Reason being is it's pumped up quite a bit. It is currently slightly overvalued, so I'm expecting it to go for a little bit of a price correction, even though it is likely to hit green candles as well over the next couple of hours. It is the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side, meaning the red candles are likely to overweight the green candles, resulting in an overall minimal drop in value. But again, as you guys can see, the peak in value has been quite consistent over the last couple of days, all up until now, where it has taken a slight dip. Now let's move on to the hourly chart. Over the next couple of days, what can we see here? So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week and early next week, we can see here that the blue and the orange line are still looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning once again an overall drop in value is what is expected from Rndr over the coming week, according to the graph. However, that is not what I'm expecting, guys. My prediction is an overall increase in value, getting above the $8.50 target is where I'm expecting Rndr to be trading at. Reason for that is I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading up over $90,000 towards the end of the week. In between those days, over the next couple of days, the crypto market is likely to stabilize itself, so no major pumps. I'm not expecting that. Reason is due to the pump that's taking place, it's likely to quiet down a little bit before it starts to pump up again towards the end of this week and early next week, resulting in an overall increase in value over the next 7 to 8 days. However, guys, do expect dips in between, as that is always part of the process. Now let's move on to the daily chart. So this is going to be quite a big jump. So as you guys can see, the charts have literally changed so much. Now we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and yes, they are looking quite steep as well. Reason for that is quite obvious. As you guys can see, over the last 4 days consistently it has been hitting huge green candlesticks, especially yesterday, meaning the graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming 6 to 8 weeks, so towards the end of the year and early next year. However, that is not realistic. So yes, I'm expecting it to head over the $10 mark, guys, by the end of potentially November, early December. I'm expecting major increases in value from Rndr as well as the crypto market. However, as I keep saying in between, do expect dips. If you guys want regular updates on Rndr, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But at the moment, yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Rndr over the short term and over the long term as well. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see in the last 24 hours it has pumped up about 15%, and over the last week itself it has gone up over 62%, guys. And what's surprising is the trading volume has gone up 91% in the last 24 hours itself, making it just under $2 billion, guys. Compared to a week ago, the trading volume was around $168 million, and right now it is at $2 billion. So that is a massive jump in trading. That shows how much or how many more people are literally investing and trading the crypto right now from both buyers and sellers point of view. And we can see here on the side that most of the community are 89% bullish and 11% are bearish on the crypto. However, majority of the crypto market is up. It gets a lot of people excited, but do bear in mind there is something called a price correction which should take place. However, I'm not expecting any major crashes or major drops from the crypto market at the moment. Even if it does go for a price correction, it is more than likely going to be minimal. And is now the right time to buy Rndr? Well, I wouldn't personally buy the crypto as it's pumped up so much already, and I'll wait for it to dip down in value at least below $6, $5.50 before I invest into the crypto. But again, it is entirely up to you guys if you guys want to invest, sell, or whatever you want to do. I'm just here to give you guys my take and my prediction on the crypto. Let me know in the comment section down below, can Rndr hit the $10 mark by the end of November? Comment down below, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also let me know, are you guys buying, selling, or are you simply holding on to Rndr? Comment down below, guys, because I want to see how many percentage of you guys have already invested or are looking to invest or are simply holding on to it like myself. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.